Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Rogue's bonnet. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely with the engine off and cool. Then, from the driver's seat, reach down to the lower left dashboard area. You'll find a small lever, often marked with a bonnet icon. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a distinct pop sound as the bonnet slightly releases. Once the interior lever is pulled, the bonnet will be slightly ajar. Now, walk to the front of your Rogue. Carefully reach your fingers underneath the center of the bonnet's front edge. You will feel a secondary safety latch, which might be yellow or metallic. Push this lever to the side, typically to the left, while simultaneously lifting the bonnet upwards with your other hand. With the secondary latch released, you can now lift the bonnet completely open. Look inside the engine compartment for the metal support rod, usually found along one of the edges or attached to the bonnet itself. Carefully remove this rod from its clip. Then, firmly insert the end of the rod into the designated slot or hole on the underside of the bonnet to hold it securely in the open position. This ensures your safety while working. When you are finished, carefully remove the support rod from its slot and clip it back into its original holder. Gently lower the bonnet until it is approximately 8 to 12 inches above the vehicle's body. Then, release it, allowing gravity to pull it down firmly. This ensures the latch engages properly. Finally, gently pull up on the bonnet to confirm it is securely closed before driving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.